Hello Pisces, welcome. What's up, everyone? We heartily welcome all of you to this particular channel and this particular video, this reading, which is regarding you versus them. Okay, let's see, let's check how is you versus them coming to your part. First of all, we're gonna start here with your card things, then your partner's card side, and then the mutual cards. At the end, we will be reading some message cards. Important for you people to look up at, and I know that you people get very interested and excited with this you versus them. So let's begin. Pisces. Universe, please do guide us for my Pisces people, lovers, whoever are there, to know a lot of things from this side. First of all, let's discuss about the Pisces side, because we also have cross watchers here who watch your side, who wants to know your side. So it's very important to know your side as well, Pisces. Pisces, remember, the readings are general reads. Do not take wholly, or just be like whatever resonates. Need to take that and leave the rest. Temperance, King of Pentacles, Eight of Cups. See here. You quite are losing some things. Yes, loss is here. Kind of trying to lose or get away from somebody who is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yes, again, which is a bigger thing. Yeah. I have to say here that your patience is very, very, very important right now. Because if you get impatient, if you get into this particular time of going fun and maybe going here and there with different partners, you might really lose yourself, your own mental health and your own emotional health. I'm telling you. So you're probably into this particular field of getting practically involved. Okay, so you are very much practical. I feel that you people are trying to get into this practical field by having the goodness as well. And I just have to say here that it's something that when you choose to walk away, you need to understand what are you walking away from, okay, and how much solidity you are gonna get after you walk away. Please, because you are very emotional kind of a sign, everything impacts you a lot. So please, thinking a lot about it before you do any kind of decision or any kind of movement is very important from your side. Very important from your side. What else? Your partner side. Pisces, you better know your partner side as well, because it's also an important aspect to look up at. Okay. Lovers is here. And what else? We have the Queen of Swords. Lovers with the Queen of Swords. And you can see the bottom of the deck, the Fool is here. Somewhere I just have to say here that Pisces, your partner is having a similar vibe as you're having with them. If people were in too much love, you people were very much affectionate. This individual is a clarifying material who clarifies everything so that you do not overthink situations and the perspectives, I would just say. It's more important, this individual is also like they know letting go of the things. They cannot always be behind you. They are someone who wants space. Their life is also important for them as much you are important to them. That I would have to say. Suggesting one more thing, I would have to say here that Pisces, your partner is they do not deal much with emotional terms than they do deal with the practical terms, right? And that is where the connection lacks some kind of maybe understanding, I would say, because I wouldn't say communication, as communication might be a problem from your side, but from their end it's not about communication. It's much more about understanding. It's much more about changing an attitude and nature inside them. What's the mutual? We got the mutual as well. Six of Cups and the Empress. As I have to say this thing that because Six of Cups came in reverse, I'll be putting it in the reverse situation. It's somehow, I just have to say, you are trying to move on from this particular situation, not trying to give in anything. As well as when I see from your partner side, they're also carefree kind of a person, so they won't be stopping you from going. I think you both want self time, you both want to care for yourselves first. Prioritizing yourself is very importantly seen here. But I feel that you both are not connecting at a deeper level right now, because there are situations, there are things which has come up and a different segment totally. So it might be bringing in some different causes only, I would say, and exaggeration of few of the moments or events might have created fights among you both and misunderstandings, I would say, which has led in a different path totally, which has created nuisances, I would say. Chaotic situation has arrived between you both. It's just because your aspect towards life, you both are very different, very different. Especially if you're dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, you will feel the kind of connection which you want, Pisces, is that they cannot provide you. And when their side, if you look, they feel that Pisces are getting too emotional in things. They are overthinking things. They're taking too depth into any kind of things, whichever it is. Let me know the message cards. Okay, we need to get it. Yes, please do tell me when to stop, when to stop, when to stop. Okay. If you're testing my water, you better know how to swim. This is egoistic talks. This is egoistic talks. There are egos possibly here. What's happening, man? Like, why are you not sticking to weight? Why are you not sticking to weight? I'll stick it to you. Second card is hold my hand, touch me so soft, kiss me with passion, I'm all yours. This is what the love is becoming. This is how the love is getting shown between you both. So happy to read these cards for you people. Okay, let me read the extras. Okay, I got the two cards there. I wish I had treated you better. Past terms are strongly coming up. Okay. Second, I'm starting to understand our connection now. It's late a bit. I would say it's late a bit because people have moved on from this relationship. Things are going in a different position, different manner. A lot of working is required in this particular relationship. I'm saying this thing, guys. I'm saying this thing to you. Thank you so very much for watching it, and guys, love you all. Share it with your friends and everyone on your Instagram, Facebook accounts, anywhere you want. Reach the people out to our channel and take the personal read if you really desire. Thank you.